This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's dig into the details on Bitcoin. I let you know yesterday, hit that like button and slam into the comments, guys. We were in a broadening formation. I want to go over that today. I've already shared this pattern and the statistics, the probabilities. Pay attention. We're going to go through as much of a pro-level analysis as we can. If you're a seasoned veteran, if you're brand new to trading, we want to show you the VIP way to trade. Guys, London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner. Private, non-SEC, not financial advice, Duke University, Harvard Business School. Let's roll, guys. Take a look at the broadening wedge descending. Okay, the probability sheet that we have. It's going to explain how to approach a potential breakout. First of all, congratulations to the VIP. We caught the low. Guys, our indicator, fire and ice. You see the green pickup lines, the fire sale line. Guys, fire sale is deep dig beyond the green buy line. I want to let you know we caught this low. The only group to catch the low. Boom. Congratulations, anyone still in that trade. Guys, still in the trade from the low? Congratulations, letting those profits run. Let's talk about the bullish framework. I want to bring into the mix the following. Please pay careful attention. We've identified the level of support, level of resistance. I'm on the 45-minute time frame right now. We could go to the 30-minute. We could go to the hourly. There's really, it's inconsequential. I'll say that for the purposes of the analysis. Let's go to the hourly. Let's talk about what our probability sheet will tell us. Okay, now, first of all, for a measurement of the broadening wedge descending. Now, we'll call this a bell formation, just so that you know. We say rock the bell. Boom, right? It looks like a bell formation. We'll rock it, bam, to the upside. Precedingly, we saw this was a nice trajectory to the upside. Pay attention as we go through the probability sheet, and I want to discuss the amplitude move here, guys. That amplitude move is critical. It's a component of the probabilities. As you will see, the performance here will be pattern top 83%. Okay, 83% of the time. Pay attention. When we break out of this specific bell formation, we'll call this the broadening wedge descending, or you can also refer to it as a bump and run variation. All right, it could be a bump and run variation. This with a lead in, this would be the bump, and we need a run, boom, to the upside. Now, these can overperform, which is exciting, but we're going to look at the following very quickly. The 83%. Okay, 83% of the time, that's the highest probability we will achieve back to the pattern top. Take a look at the specifics here. Pattern top, 83%. You guys got that? 83% of the time, we're going to be looking at a completion to this pattern top. Now, not necessarily from here. Guys, just as these perform over time, and this is information from Bulkowski. Pay attention, Bulkowski. He's the foremost authority on TA empirical data analytics over the preceding number of decades. All the patterns and all the markets, guys. Heavy, intensive work, encyclopedia of chart patterns. So when we say 83% of the time, that's based on a very comprehensive set of empirical data, the entirety of, guys, the instances of this specific pattern. So we want to be a part of that 83%, guys. That's what we want to be a part of. Any probability that we can get over 50%, we become interested. We want to look at it, right? 60%, we start to really take a look. 70%, hey, guys, we're really looking at it. And 80%, we're definitely paying attention. Now, the unknown here. What is a busted pattern? Let's go through what a busted pattern is. You'll see on this specific preceding bell formation, broadening wedge formation, we did achieve that 83%, boom, in line with the prior high. Here it's going to say pattern top 83%. You see that, okay? So we did achieve perfectly that 83% in line with the prior, let's say the prior or the pattern top. Now, it could have juked out the traders here. I'll just tell you guys, it could have juked the traders out in the zone. We're always prepared to participate lower. That's what our indicator is all about, right? As you look at the green buy line, we're prepared, VIP already, on that hourly, on the 4-hourly green buy line, okay? We're also prepared on the fire sale line. You bet it, guys. You betcha. We're prepared if sellers want to engage and give us, guys, a strong value entry. We're prepared on either the green buy line or the red fire sale line. Those will automatically adjust. On the 4-hourly, take a look at that 4-hourly. We're prepared on the green buy line on the 4-hourly guys, all the way down to 18,596. Okay, so we have stacked orders to participate on longs at lower prices. And guys, the indicator's been phenomenally successful. Take a look at the 5-minute real quickly, then we'll talk about that pattern top. As we're looking at, for instance, look at the golden short here. Boom, guys, to the downside. There we go. Nice short. Look at the green pickup line. Straight to the upside, guys. Beautiful price action, beautiful trades. I know VIP are trading. Shout out Gulshan, I have to tell you. Shout out Gulshan. You really traded well yesterday. It was exciting to see you just racking in the returns. Good job, brother. Way to go. I think Arturo was just hitting them 6 and 7 at a time. Very impressive. Liam, I want to see you trade. Luke, I know you're busy. I know you're busy, brother, but we want to see you trade. J-Mac, my man, what's up? J-Mac, I want to see you trade. Who else we got back there? Venus is like, don't even mention me. Venus, we love it when you trade. We love it when you trade. Let's see some of those returns. I know you had a triple digit yesterday. Guys, we have the #1 trade group, and part of that is because we're tight, guys. We're VIP tight. We're excited about 2022 and 2023. Now, we've been through that 83% to the upside, right? 83% probability we will re-achieve the top of the pattern. You got it, right? So as we would look at this specific pattern, guys, the breakout here, the best, I'm going to tell you, in terms of the advice that, not I'm going to give you, but that the New York Institute of Finance, guys, the NYIF, where Wall Street goes to school, New York Institute of Finance. We pay a lot of attention to them. Guys, we've had former BlackRock, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, across the board. Blue collar, white collar, you guys know, old collar, new collar. As long as you want to beat the market, you're welcome in VIP. Now, in terms of this specific, let's say, in terms of New York Institute of Finance, while I bring that up, the important component here is letting profits run, right? Because we caught the bottom here. Our indicator caught the bottom. So allowing profits to run is a beautiful thing. This was a really nice pickup, guys. Very low, 18,300. Beautiful pickup. We're the only group that caught it. So that indicator is gold. Now, in terms of allowing, and I did let you know last night as well, you could let your profits run, right? So I think I'll let you know up in this area as well. Now, in terms of if you're in profit, guys, you decide. If your screen turns green, you know. You decide. You're the one that has to hit the button. I'm not going to hit the button for you. You guys know. So in terms of what we're looking at, I want to walk through, pay attention, guys, and hope you're having a good start to your week, right? Let's look at the fib-based trend extensions. Now, what we're going to do as we look at the componentry for the probability, for the broadening wedge descending, the bell formation, right? The bell formation. We're going to look at the pattern top as an 83% chance of reaching that. Call that an 80% chance, all right, of reaching that pattern top on an expansion like this, all right? And evaluate your trades as such, okay? Now, when you're going to go through the measure rule, okay, the measure rule, how do you measure a chart pattern? Well, guys, in the back, we're going through exactly how the trading tactic requires you to measure. For this instance, in this specific instance, we're going to click low to the high, and boom, the point of breakout. Let's do that, guys. The low to the high to the point of breakout. All right, that's going to give you the amplitude move in line with the measure rule here. Okay, in line with that measure rule, guys, just the amplitude of the pattern, we want to measure that with click 1, click 2 on your trend-based fib extension. Okay, so click 1 at the bottom of the pattern. Click 2, that amplitude is what we want, right? That's that click 1, click 2, the amplitude. Then we're going to pull this down to the point of breakout, just so that you know. And now, how is this relevant? That's going to give us our Fibonacci trend-based extensions. Those extensions are Fibonacci levels. What does that mean? That 38.2 is going to be right in line with the top, okay? 38.2 is going to be right in line with the top. But then we have the other probabilities. Pay attention. We have percentage reaching half the target height. Half the target height I have in green right here, the 50%. Now what that means is with this target height here, okay, it's not going to complete the entirety, look at that, the entirety of the move. We were to straighten this out just a bit, right? It's not going to complete the entirety of the move, but 50%, boom, to the upside. So that 50%, let's see, the half the target height would be 65%, just so that we know. 65% of the time you're going to be going to that 20,582. Now, before I go any further, a busted pattern. What's a busted pattern? It's a fake out. It's a fake out, breakout, fake out. Okay, so just count on with these guys a rough ballpark 20%, just slightly. I'm going to say 20%, depending upon the data set you look at. But 20% of the time, it's going to be real catchy. It's going to represent a liability to people trading a breakout on these patterns. We always want to, and I'm spending time in them because we rock the bells in VIP. They pay, guys. They've been paying. They've been doing very well. So this was a nice trade, right? So when we identify them, we want to participate at lower levels, get the value, let the profits run, right? Tricky on breakout. Looking at that, this is the interesting part. Reaching the full height target, that's going to be the 100%, just so that you know, once you click the low to the high, and bringing down, right, the trend-based Fibonacci extension to the point of breakout, right? And clearly we're going to need some momentum on these. You guys know we need breakout and momentum. If a momentum reverses, guys, it's not going to do the bulls any good. Taking a look at that full pattern height, the 21,639. What does that mean? Well, 52% of the time, about a 50-50 chance of getting to 21,639. All right, so you can walk this logic up to 2 times the height, 3 times the height. Okay, there's a 25% chance that we get to 3 times the height, which is 25,868. That would be a phenomenal move. Let's take a look at this. Just measure to the upside. It'd be a 32% move to the upside. We have a 25% of making it there. Now, we're also going to always, and pay attention, guys, going through the analytics so that you understand how we, and VIP, how we approach our trades. Some of the biggest trades in crypto last year, guys, they were ours. Bottom line, I'm talking big trades, guys. Big trades, heavy-handed trades. So I want, guys, part of our goal this year is to explain to you all leverage, things like advanced trade tactics and techniques. If you're not growing, guys, we're not doing our mission. So that's really what we want to do in 2022 and beyond. In terms of the specific amplitude move here, we're going to look at complementary or contradictory patterns, right? So we're going to measure and bring to the upside as well to look for confluence or overlap, the specific amplitude of the range here. We're going to stack that on top. We're going to combine, guys, that with a target of 22,410 with the probabilities on the specific broadening wedge. We're going to always look at multiple patterns. We did that very well in the back today, guys. I want to encourage you to join VIP. We're going to watch the VIP trade this pattern. They're already trading. This was a beautiful pickup here. I know for a fact that Venus, you caught this on, and a lot of VIP caught this low on the indicator. This was right after that CPI index report. Bam, nice slingshot to the upside. Guys, it's London with Bitcoin Spike. Very excited, guys, just to be doing what we're doing in 2022. We just started up headquarters in La Jolla. We'll be doing a lot more video presentation and some exciting lifestyle things for you guys to kind of get excited about. Spice it up a little bit. Summer's kind of over, so we're going to do some lifestyle, guys, some entertainment stuff. We're going to have a good time. So looking at this link, you can join here today. And guys, if you watched yesterday, I hope that you made some cash. Talking about rocking this to the upside. We did get up and out of that ascending triangulation. That was a nice move. Way to go, VIP. I know you're making money. Guys, this link will get you the opportunity. Let's see how I can do this. This link will get you the opportunity, let me bring this over just a bit, to join our group. Yes, this link, join the #1, guys, slot, that VIP, the top shelf. We want the best traders in the business. I'm not marketing guys to make a buck off you. We want the best traders. Bottom line, if you're a good trader, I'm going to tell you, you belong with our group. That's why we invite you. Bottom line, if you want to beat the market, that's the bottom line. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, not financial advice. Once you join, either through hitting that button on YouTube, go to the first pinned tweet, put I am VIP. That'll put you in touch with me, all right? We'll make sure that you have the materials, New York Institute of Finance, that you have access to the, guys, to the back rooms. It's just money, guys. It's a great group. We're excited about 2022 and beyond. Guys, let's rock this bell. Understand, if your screen turns green, what does it mean? You have a decision to make. Hope you guys enjoyed going through these probabilities. I hope that it advances your trade game. Always remember complementary or contradictory patterns in line therewith to find your overlap confluence. Guys, your agreement or your contradictions, we look at all the indicators as well for confirmation. All the indicators on all the time frames. Guys, we're the #1 shop. We're excited about that. Guys, take care of yourself. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's get going. Let's have a good week. We want some volatility. We'll talk to you guys soon. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader.